Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto E40 to an Android device. First of all, just open Play Store on both and click on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this app from this developer. When it's ready, just open it. Nextly, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on an Android. From here, select Receive on Android smartphone and Send on Motorola One. Then click on all of those type of dots and when you're ready, tap on Send. This way you will select all of your files that you wish to send and do that later on. It will take a long time to transfer all of mine, so I will go with only one. Just for example, tap on Send and click on Got it. Now on an Android, click on No Thanks, close this window, and finally we have the connection ways. We can connect those smartphones by scanning this QR code. If you wish to do that, click on scanning icon over here on an Android, select while using the app or only this time, and point your camera at this code. If you want to, you can always input this key instead, you have a lot of time to do it. And connect those devices by clicking on Receive. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!